Hello, seventh hour. Oh, I'm gonna sneeze. Hold on. Okay. I don't know. I might sneeze. So, once again, I'm at my doctor's appointment, so you are on your own this afternoon. So hopefully you can finish stuff up and then have a little bit of extra time today. A reminder that I guess we don't have school on Monday, but you have school Tuesday, Wednesday. So you are doing this activity called Civil War Compromises Bracket. It's pretty fast, but you're trying to decide which event was the most divisive or kind of pulled the country apart the most before the Civil War. So the next slide is a bracket. And what you have to do is decide, go through, it's like a sports bracket if you've ever done one of those for a tournament, and decide what's more divisive or made people angrier or created more chaos or any stuff like that. So between Missouri Compromise, Compromise of 1850, let's say you pick Compromise of 1850, you can just copy and paste like that. And like between Kansas Nebraska Act and John Brown's, let's say you pick John Brown's, you just copy and paste them in. So that's all you have to do. And then you keep going until you get a first place. And then once you get the first place, you write a claim. So if you pick John Brown's Harper's Ferry, you could say Harper's Ferry was the most divisive, and then give me 3 pieces of evidence why. Your evidence does not have to be super specific. It can be paraphrased and really general. And then this last page is what you should finish up for today. There's one question to answer on a Google Doc, and then finish up your 36 tweet packet and your John Brown packet. And email if you have any questions, and I hope you have a lovely day. Bye-bye.